be showing you a new video called Fix This Ugly Slime Challenge. So let's get into the video. Yes, queen. So, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna flip my phone. So the first slime we have is this new Elmo slime. So we're going to be fixing store-bought slime first. So we're going to be fixing store-bought slime today. So let's see. This is called Fruity Slushy. It's scented. It doesn't smell that bad, but yeah. There's a lot of slime in here. You can see. Oh, the texture is actually kind of good. I think this slime needs to be more like stretchy. So I'm going to try and make a good swirl. It stretches a lot, but I think it needs to be more stretchy. So I'm going to go get my ingredients when I make this swirl. You might recognize this lid from the Play-Doh slime challenge. Actually, I don't know why I'm doing this in my room, guys. And I have my whole house, so I'm gonna go to okay, just gonna put it like that so it sticks. Okay. I'm super tired. But anyway, let's do this video. Okay, you can go right now. I really like this slime, guys. It's kind of loopy, so I think I have to do something about that. I'm gonna get some hair gel to make it more stretchy. Oh, that's not that long. It is a good stretch for a store-bought slime because store-bought slime is really bad. And yeah, I'm gonna try and make a bubble. It's hard to make a bubble because it's super stiff. It's not that bad. I would rate this like a 10 for stretchiness because it's store-bought. I think all it needs is some glitter and hair gel and maybe some lotion or soap. I don't know. Maybe some shampoo. Wait, can it stand up? pokes are good when you press hard. I like it a lot. I just think it needs a little bit of glitter. So let's go get that. Let's go get my ingredients, guys. Ooh. And if you haven't watched the new series, the skit that I made called Family Drama, make sure to go watch that. Okay, get the glitter. I don't know what glitter to get, guys, so just gonna get all of them. Got all the glitter. Now I need to go get some energy. So, I don't know. You guys might know, but I kind of really do like hair gel because of the smell of it. Okay. So let's add the hair gel. It's really stretchy. Let's make this in. The smell smells better. Wow, guys. It actually is way more stretchier than before. It's a little bit rippy, but it's fine. The pokes are better. Hair gel fixes everything. Ooh, so nice. For the next round, it's gonna be so shocking because I need to fix a lot of like 4 slimes. I mean, I think one. I think I was gonna fix all the Play-Doh slimes because I really want them. But yeah, so I'm done. So I'm gonna make a heart. So first I'm gonna make a circle. Wait, yeah. There. Oh, now we're gonna add some of this new Barbie glitter. Okay, please wait a bit. Okay. Okay, this is an opening, so I'm just gonna use some of this Elmer's stuff. And this glitter, black glitter. Oh no, this is glitter glue. I'm gonna use some of this red one then, and some of this gold one. And some of this pink one. That's enough. So I'm gonna add some white too. Why not? These glitters are very strong, and I don't want it to be too strong for my slime. There we go. Now let's mix it. Oh, I'm so happy those glitters didn't affect the slime fully. Just a little bit when you stretch out like this, you can see them. Yeah. Look really close. Is it? And now let's move on to the next slime. It's really pretty. Okay. So leave in the comments if there's a comment, because I don't know if you think that was good. So this is the next one that I'm gonna be fixing. And sorry guys, but this round I'm only allowed to use the ingredients that I used from last round. One. So I need to use glitter and what's it called? I just thought of that now, but it's a good twist. Look how much glitter it has, guys. I really don't like the color. But do you guys think I should change? I'm gonna add some. So I'm gonna go get my ingredients. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I got my ingredients. So let's start. I got the hair gel. In real life, guys, the color actually looks kind of good now. Because I definitely didn't have food coloring. Looks like bubble gum now. Because using the color, food coloring, that's cheating. And I'm not allowed to cheat because cheating bad. Cheating. Okay guys, we're gonna go live. But we can't go live because we need more subscribers. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification to stay notified whenever I post a new video. And hit that like button. I want to be memorized. I want to have fans. Don't mind my singing, cause it is bad. Just hit the subscribe button and everything will be good. And for the first time in forever, Elsa will come out of her cave. Or am I singing Frozen songs? For the first time in forever, I can do live videos. So hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications to stay notified when I post a new video. And also hit the hit the like button. Okay guys, so I made this slime stretchier. I can't even reach anymore. But I think this is the only goodness it will go to. And yeah. So guys, my favorite slime actually really is this Elmer slime. Out of all the slimes I have, this is my favorite. Oh, come on. Ugh. There we go. The containers are easy to open, even if your hands are oily. With the slime that you just touched. It's so good. Such good slime. That's why you should definitely buy it. And this video was sponsored by Elmer's for letting us have this in the video. I love Elmer's. It's the best slime brand ever. As you might know, guys, I have a lot of Elmer's slime, and then my mum took them out, so now I have more different ones. And thank you, Owners, for sponsoring this video. Did I just say that? I don't really care. But I actually bought this line, so I don't really know if I'm still sponsoring it. Wait, isn't it sponsoring that mean like you give someone, a brand gives you something for free and you need to sponsor them in the video? Well, I don't know. Oh. So I actually bought this for $6 from Woolies. Don't think I'm a cheapo. Go away. Anyways, bye guys. See you later. Alligator.